A Roku TV screen going black or flickering out of nowhere can be stressful, especially when the audio is still playing but the picture is completely gone. If you're dealing with that right now, don't panic. In this video, I'll guide you through quick, proven fixes that can restore your screen in minutes. And if the simple steps don't work, I'll also cover the deeper solutions most people overlook. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure your Roku TV is properly plugged into a working wall outlet. If you're using an extension cord or power strip, unplug it and connect the TV directly to the wall instead. Once that's done, press the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote. This button is usually located under the logo or on the back or side of the TV. If the screen turns on when you press it, that's a clear sign the remote may not be working correctly. In that case, remove the batteries from the remote, replace them with new ones, and try again. If that didn't fix the problem and the screen is still black, the next step is a power cycle. This is safe and often very effective. Unplug the TV from the power outlet and leave it unplugged for about 5 minutes. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for around 30 seconds. This helps clear temporary power glitches. After waiting, plug the TV back in and turn it on using either the TV's power button or the remote, and watch the screen to see if the display comes back. If the screen is still black or flickering, don't stop here. You can try restarting the TV using a special button sequence on the remote. Press the home button 5 times, then press the up arrow once, followed by the rewind button twice, and finally the fast forward button twice. Press these buttons quickly, one after another, without pausing. Once entered correctly, the Roku TV will restart automatically. Don't press anything while it's restarting. Just wait for the process to finish. If you're still seeing a black screen, the next thing to check is whether an external device is causing the issue. Unplug everything connected to your TV, including HDMI cables, USB drives, streaming devices, or gaming consoles. With everything disconnected, turn the TV back on and see if the screen starts working. If it does, that means one of the external devices was the problem. You can then reconnect each device one by one to find out which one is causing the issue. If none of these steps have worked so far, you can move on to a factory reset. This step will erase your settings, but it can fix stubborn problems. Look for a small reset button on the back or bottom of your Roku TV. It's often a tiny pinhole button that you press using a paper clip or small tool. Press and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds until the TV restarts. Then wait for it to boot up so you can set it up again from scratch. Now let's quickly check if the issue is related to the backlight. Take a bright flashlight and shine it closely at the TV screen. Look carefully for faint images or menu outlines on the display. If you can see something faint, that means the screen is working, but the backlight has failed. If you don't see any image at all, even faintly, the problem is likely more serious and could be a hardware issue such as a faulty mainboard. In that case, the best option is to contact the TV manufacturer or a professional repair technician for help. That's it for this video on fixing a Roku TV black screen. I hope one of these steps helped bring your screen back to life. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Do you still have questions? Or did one of these steps work for you? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear which solution fixed your problem.